I get to sit down with you guys for a couple of minutes and do a video. I have been running amok lately. I am not kidding. That is the truth. And it has been really hard to just get, motivated, sit down and get a plan going and come on. But I am really glad to be here. It is definitely the dog days of summer. I am hot. I think that's part of my lack of motivation. I am just so hot and humid, and it's the South. It's the South. It's just getting me down. But I wanted to come on here because there were a couple of things that I have been discovering as we are all going through this pandemic and virus and wearing of masks and all of that. And I have become a very simplified as far as my makeup routine is, my skincare routine, everything. It's really been dumbed down as far as I'm concerned. And I have not been really going out, of course, buying things, buying cosmetics, buying all kinds of things for my skin and for my face. So I decided to let you guys know what I'm no longer using, like what I'm not using now, what I'm kind of foregoing because I don't really have the need of it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my website here because I did put notes on just in case I forget. But I'm going to go through, no particular order. We'll go through what I am, not using right now. So because of masks, one of the things that I can't use is lipsticks. And I have even tried, I've tried lip liners, I've tried matte lipsticks, I've tried things, that are supposed to be, bulletproof as far as coming off your lips. No, ma'am, no, ma'am. If I am putting on my face mask, I don't know if it's the cotton, I don't know if it's the material with, on the inside of the mask. I am getting some imprints from any type of lip product, any type. I mean, even like just lip balm, any type. This is the first time in weeks that I have had a lip gloss on. And the only reason I'm having the lip gloss on is because I'm talking to you guys and I figured, what the heck, I'll put some lip gloss on. This is the one I'm using here. It's the Stay Glossy and it's by Rimmel. I'll show you guys this. Let me make sure that I'm in focus here. Yep, I sure am. Hang on a second. Okay, there guys. Hopefully it's in focus there. You can see it. It's a really pretty color. I'll read you guys the color if you're interested in it. And I don't spend a fortune on these. Let's see. Does it have a teeny tiny name on it? It has a number, B129. That's the only thing I can say. Oh, Bare Minimum. Okay, it's called Bare Minimum 133. All right. So that's it. It's a lovely nude lipstick. There you go. Stay Color. Lovely nude lipstick. And I do like it. I mean, it's hydrating. It's moisturizing. It's really pretty. I like the way it looks on my lips. But, honey, I can't put on nothing. I cannot put on lipstick or anything, lip liner, anything underneath the masks. And when I'm going around, I'm shopping a lot, I'm going to different places, I'm constantly, putting it on, putting it off. And if I go to work, if I'm walking down the aisles, I'm going into the break rooms, I'm going anywhere in my work environment, or if I'm talking to anyone, coming to see them, to talk to them about things, I have to wear a mask. We all do. I take it off only if I'm, sitting at my desk, but other than that, I have to wear it. And honestly, I can't do it. So, yeah, one of the things I'm not making at all is the lip liner. I see my husband walking around outside. That is funny. I think he's getting the mail. Okay. The second thing I'm no longer using because I don't have a need for it is primer. So I've always liked to put primer on or a light moisturizer before I put on my makeup. It's just something that I do. I use a variety of it. I use that putty one by e.l.f. I really like that one. I just picked one up here to show you guys. This is another e.l.f. product. It's called Puff Puff Primer, and yeah, I really enjoy it. Comes in a little tube like this, you know, and then you just kind of pump it, you know, on your face and on your hands and everything. I really enjoy it. I enjoy a good primer, but I have no need for it. If I'm not putting on makeup or anything else that needs a primer, needs it to stick, needs it to establish itself on my skin, then I just don't need a primer. So I'm like, I've got like 3 or 4, if not more, different primers sitting on my vanity right now, and I have not touched them in like a couple of months, at least 2 months, only because I'm not wearing you know, foundation. So here's another one that I use, this Refresh Mist, and again, it's a good primer, and it's also a good, this is by Morphe in conjunction with Jeffree Star, and I really like this. Let me go ahead and make it so that it kind of like focuses in for you guys. There, guys, I hope you can see that better. There it is. And yeah, it's a really good mister. I really love it. It smells like strawberries. Oh yeah, it has a beautiful strawberry fragrance. Of course, if you're not into fragrance, and this isn't for you, but I really enjoy it when I've been using it, but I just don't have any use for it anymore. And again, it's just sitting on my vanity right now, gathering dust, because you know, I really could use this mister for the summer, as far as misting down my face if I'm hot, whatever. But then your mask is going to get all, you know, moist, and you don't need a moist mask on your face, putting all that on you, and it doesn't evaporate, and you might get breakouts, so you don't want to do that. Of course, it goes without saying, I'm not using major heavy-duty foundations. I will be using a couple of like CC creams or BB creams or tinted moisturizers every now and then. Not really during work, not during the work week. I will put on some tinted moisturizer maybe once in a while on a weekend if I am going somewhere. But again, I haven't really been needing to go out for any reason. I'm not shopping. I'm not in malls. I'm not walking around on a boardwalk or the beach or anything like that. I literally have nowhere to go except my house, my back deck, go down to get the mail, and walking around my neighborhood when I'm walking the dogs. And that's about it for the weekend. You know, I do go to, like, you know, Publix or Kroger or whatever to do my food shopping. A lot of times we're still getting a Grubhub or Uber Eats for delivery if we want to eat something, eat out, eat, you know, a restaurant meal if I don't feel like cooking. But I don't go out anywhere. It's like, where am I going to wear my makeup to? I can't go out. So the one I really like here is the Milani Conceal Perfect. I really like this as a medium coverage, you know, foundation. But again, haven't used it in, I'm telling you, over 4 months, if not 5 now. So gathering dust. Now let me look at my thing and see what else I've missed or not missed. Hang on, guys. Oh yeah, powder or cream blushes. I'm wearing blush today. I didn't bring it down here to show you guys, but I think it's another Milani product, but I'll put it down in the description bar below if you guys are interested. I don't wear cream blushes now because that will stick to my mask. I don't wear powder blushes either because it'll rub off. I just don't have a need for it. I really don't. The other thing that I'm trying to avoid is hairspray. I feel like I had some hairsprays that I used to wear to keep my curls locked in, keep it, you know, nice and in place. But when you're wearing a mask and when you're putting your, you know, the earpiece over, and then I started out by putting the masks that go over your head, you know, like over your head or tie behind your head. I would feel so sticky with the hairspray on. My hair would get it tangled into the mask ribbons or whatever you call those tie backs. And it would just frustrate me, that whole feeling of that tackiness of having the hairspray on my hair. And I'm like, nah, I don't need to deal with that. I really don't need to deal with it. So I've been just like foregoing that. I do a little bit of a mousse sometimes, or a leave-in conditioner. Like today I've just washed my hair. Now I got out of the shower about an hour ago and it's still damp, but I have like a leave-in moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, and I think it's by Pantene. I really like it. It's very light in control, and it just does some really nice hydration for my curls, but I'm not doing anything crazy, guys. Seriously, not anything crazy. And then the last thing with the primers, I did do the setting spray, is the eyeshadow. I do use some. Now, I do have to admit that I am using some eyeshadows and some eyeliners now, because I'm almost have that Arabian Nights kind of theme, where, you know, when you're masking up and you're completely covered and all that people can see is your eyes, I tend to now be much more aware of focusing on my eyes. So I do tend to play that up now a little bit with some nicer eyeshadows. I have been looking at my palettes and trying to work with that. Where was I? Oh yeah, about the eyes and the eyeshadow and everything. It was thundering here, so I decided to just cut the video right there and just make sure that it wasn't really getting very stormy before I continued. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. I love you guys very much. One of the things I did want to mention is I might not be doing consistently uploading videos in the next few weeks. I just have a lot of things that I have to do on my plate, starting a new job, and just doing everything else. And you know, being the summer and everything, it's just like really tiring to just run around and do things and get everything done and planned. But as I do get topics up, I'll definitely go ahead and throw them up there for you guys. So just to be aware of that. I haven't disappeared or anything. Oh, I hear another thunder. So I'm going to keep this short. So anyway, I love you guys very much. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share the content. I would really appreciate that. And until next time, I love you guys very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.